Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to cancel a PayPal payment transaction. Now the main reason that you would want to cancel a PayPal payment transaction is for really many reasons, such as getting scammed or just wanting a refund or any other reason that I can't even think of right now. However, overall, this video is going to be helpful for anybody that is wanting to cancel a PayPal payment transaction. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to see how to cancel a PayPal payment transaction. If you do find this video helpful, please be sure to like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more future tutorials. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the PayPal app. You're going to click on it, let it load up, and everything looks normal. You'll see your PayPal balance, but what you want to focus on is activity. You'll go to activity, you see mine is mostly Coinbase, but you're gonna find the transaction that you want to cancel. And simply all you'll do is click on it, and then there will be a red button that says cancel. Now, you wanna note that this isn't going to be available on every single transaction that you made. They have to be eligible. And now, you can find out if your payment is eligible or not by just simply looking it up on Google and finding the eBay forum. But for now, that's all you really need to know. If you do have any issues though, you can say click on it and scroll all the way down to report a problem or get answers. That's how eBay can help you through this whole process. And that's really all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you. And if you did find this video helpful, please, please, please drop a like on this video, share it with a friend, and most importantly of all, subscribe for more tutorials in the future.